So I hope everybody is doing well out there. Thanks for tuning in. This is Bryan916 and welcome back to the channel. So today guys, I'm going to be doing a product review. This particular product, I'm pretty sure you've used it already. If not, you've definitely heard of it. The product is Super Clean. So when Super Clean reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to sample some of their products, of course I said yes, because I've used Super Clean for years now. Super Clean is the product that I use to pressure wash out an engine bay. I'll soak it in Super Clean first and pressure wash the engine bay out. I use it to clean parts with. There's been cases where if you've ever packed any wheel bearings by hand, you end up getting grease everywhere on your tools. Just everywhere. And I use Super Clean to clean and wipe down tools that I used while I was doing a job like that. I've also had a case where I had just a little bit of like axle bearing grease right here on my arm, and I got into a really nice car with a light color interior and actually got a little bit of axle grease on there, and I used some Super Clean and it came right out. It dried. The customer never knew. So I always keep Super Clean around the shop. So this is a product that I highly recommend. If you've never used Super Clean, this is definitely a product that you're gonna like. So Super Clean sent me a box. I haven't opened it yet. I decided to do this unboxing with you guys. So let's take a look and see what they sent. All right guys, so here's the box that Super Clean sent me. So let's see what they sent. Shout out to Ben over at Super Clean for hooking this up. They were very cool. Set that I didn't necessarily have to do a video on it if I didn't want to. They just wanted to send me some stuff, which is very cool. So before we pull this stuff out, I just wanted to say, you guys probably noticed that I don't really do a whole lot of videos like this of promoting products on my channel. Not that I have anything against it, but it's really got to be a product that I've had prior experience with and I know it to be a good product, or a product that maybe even though I haven't used it, I could certainly see the benefit of it and maybe somebody else could get some benefit from it. So those are kind of like my criteria for accepting products. This is what Super Clean sent. All right, so this is pretty much the Super Clean that I buy. Yeah, so I'm no stranger to this bottle right here. This is the product that I buy all the time. Really good stuff. I'm gonna demo how good this stuff is. It's great on dissolving grease. So we got my Super Clean there. Love that stuff. Next we got some Super Clean wheel and tire cleaner. I didn't know that they actually sold wheel and tire cleaner. I've never used it. I know it's going to be a great product because this product is good. So I know this product is good. All right, so next we have some Super Clean. This is recommended for engines, barbecue grills, and brakes. I was going to mention that I use this product right here to clean my barbecue grill. I was debating whether or not I should say that or not, but the fact that they do have this on here for cleaning grills, that makes me feel a lot better. So yeah, I do use this to clean my barbecue grill and it works great. I also use it, like I stated earlier, if I actually get like a little grease spot in a customer's interior on accident, just a little spritz of that and wipe it out. It comes right out because it dissolves grease so well. All right, so what do we have here? We also have some floor absorbent. Yeah, I didn't know that they sold absorbent as well. So they have some absorbent. It feels a lot different than like kitty litter. So if you're thinking it's just kitty litter, it's not. I can tell right now by feeling it. All right, so this is stuff's available at AutoZone. You guys probably know that already. So yeah, so we got an oil absorbent here. Another thing that I use too is if you're doing a job in your driveway, first of all, you need to protect your driveway. Let me say that. Put something down if you're going to be you know, doing a major job in your driveway. Put a tarp down or put some cardboard down, protect your driveway. But if you get a little bit of oil or grease or anything like that on your driveway, this stuff works good. Go spray it down, saturate it, hit it with a scrub brush or whatever. You'd be surprised at how well this Super Clean works. And then so next I got okay, so they've expanded their line. So this stuff must be new. Okay, so that makes sense. Yeah, because I had never seen this, and they just sent me a letter and stuff like that. So probably talking about their products. And this is from their social marketing specialist. That's where it came from. So shout out to everybody at Super Clean. Looks like this might be a sticker. So I got a sticker here. And then they hooked me up with a little bit of gear. Got a nice little camo hat. I gotta say, this ain't a bad looking hat. So got a Super Clean hat. Nice little work hat right here. And then they hooked me up with a Super Clean t-shirt as well. So shout out to everybody over at Super Clean. Love you guys' products anyway. All right, guys, so I got some typical automotive dirt right here on my Ratchet and on my little small impact. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean these up. I'm gonna just saturate my rag with it. Start wiping off my impact gun. And you can see how clean it gets right away. It works the same in engine compartments. I'm telling you, I get my engine compartments really clean. A lot of times my customers are like, wow, I can't believe it. Once I pull a motor out, I'll pressure wash everything down and I soak it with Super Clean first. And this is what I clean my ratchet handles, my comfort grip handles with, my impact guns, my hammer handles, pry bar handles, screwdriver handles. And this stuff gets it clean, man. So when Super Clean asked me that I want some stuff, of course, because I buy this stuff anyway. I've been buying it for years. So it's good to see that they got some new products now on the market, which I'm pretty sure work great, because this stuff works miracles. Well, as you can see, both tools cleaned up really nice. So this product works really well. I've been using this stuff for a really long time. So if you're interested in getting your hands on some, I'll leave a link in the description or where you can pick some up. So as you guys probably already know, Super Clean is a really good product. You guys have probably already been using it just like I've been using it. But they have upped their game and put out a couple of more products. I haven't got a chance to test those yet, but if it's anything like the degreaser, I'm pretty sure it's a great product. If you haven't used Super Clean before to clean your tools or to clean engine compartments out and things like that, it's a really good product. You won't be disappointed. So shout out to Super Clean once again. This is Bryan916. See you guys on the next one.